So finally we have drafted a complaint to the CBI and we have submitted to the CBI. They have already received the complaint on the 26th of November, which we had put it. So ata the next step, we want to protect the environment, we want the customs duty to be paid. This is two things which has to happen parallel, and this is not happening parallel. We still request the CBI to start the investigation, and based on this, at least the MPT, the government will realize that what is going wrong, because in this report we have mentioned various steps where they need to investigate into. And now Toripun Zoritori, if the e-auction is going to happen and the cargo is going to be declared as a contaminated cargo, and if they are going to start the procedure of discharging, although the owner of the cargo has mentioned in the court that the cargo is clean product, it's a clean cargo. हे सांगले असता कोर्टात तुम्ही जरी तरी ई ऑक्शन फॉर कंटॅमिनेटेड कार्गो म्हणून करपाक आय थिंक आफ्टर दिस CBI इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन हॅज स्टार्टेड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप आणि काय उपाय आसना, बट वी विल हॅव टू गो टू कोर्ट. And this is what now we are going to face a big challenge. It's already more than 45 days plus, I think now, since the vessel is there, going to be close to 60 days. So that means all this show of environment protection, pollution protection from the government side, MPT side, was soglo ek face wash. This is now another sort of a warning or intimation to the officials of the MPT as well as to the government of Goa. This matter is going to go to court, and from the court I think we have to first immediately prioritize that the vessel has to move out